The book of Isaiah, Yeshayahu, chapter 24. See, YAHUAH is making the earth empty and making it waste, and shall overturn its surface, and shall scatter abroad its inhabitants. And it shall be, as with the people, so with the priest, as with the servant, so with his master, as with the female servant, so with her mistress, as with the buyer, so with the seller, as with the lender, so with the borrower, as with the creditor, so with the debtor. The earth is completely emptied and utterly plundered, for YAHUAH has spoken this word. The earth shall mourn and wither. The world shall languish and wither. The haughty people of the earth shall languish. For the earth has been defiled under its inhabitants, because they have transgressed the Torah, changed the law, broken the everlasting covenant. Therefore, a curse shall consume the earth, and those who dwell in it be punished. Therefore, the inhabitants of the earth shall be burned, and few men shall be left. The new wine shall fail, the vine shall languish, all those glad at heart shall sigh. The joy of the tambourine shall cease, the noise of those who rejoice shall end, the joy of the lyre shall cease. No more do they drink wine with a song, strong drink is bitter to those who drink it. The deserted city shall be broken down, every house shall be shut, no one enters. There is a crying for wine in the streets. All joy shall be darkened, the gladness of the earth shall be gone. The city is left in ruins, the gate is stricken with destruction. For thus it is to be in the midst of the earth among the peoples, like the shaking of an olive tree, like the gleaning of grapes when the grape harvest is done. They lift up their voice, they sing of the excellency of YAHUAH, they shall cry aloud from the sea. Therefore, praise YAHUAH in the east, the name of YAHUAH Elohim of Yahshar'el in the coastlands of the sea. From the end of the earth we shall hear songs, splendor to the righteous one. But I say, I waste away, I waste away. Woe to me, the treacherous betray with treachery, the treacherous betray. Fear and the pit and the snare are upon you, O inhabitant of the earth. And it shall be that he who flees from the noise of the fear falls into the pit, and he who comes up from the midst of the pit is caught in the snare. For the windows from on high shall be opened, and the foundations of the earth be shaken. The earth shall be utterly broken, the earth shall be completely shattered, the earth shall be fiercely shaken. The earth shall stagger like a drunkard, and it shall totter like a hut, and its transgression shall be heavy upon it, and it shall fall and not rise again. And in that day it shall be that YAHUAH punishes on high the host of exalted ones, and on the earth the sovereigns of the earth. And they shall be gathered together as prisoners are gathered in the pit, and shall be shut up in the prison, and be punished after many days. And the moon shall blush, and the sun shall be ashamed, for YAHUAH of hosts shall reign on Mount Zion, and in Jerusalem, and before his elders in esteem.